Ever feel like the world's moving just a little too fast? Then why not slow down and take a break for breakfast? With steaming hot coffee and a giant stack of fluffy buttermilk pancakes, dripping with butter and sweet maple syrup.
We come in every morning for breakfast.
It's not here, but I cleaned my plate.
If it's comfort food you're craving, this is where you'll find it, at the Buttermilk Cafe in New Braunfels.
It's just all really, really good food.
How you got your hair all done and your makeup on?
Carol Irwin and her daughter Marcy captain this ship. It's obvious that a sense of humor is one of the ingredients that helps it sail along.
This is my pirate ship. They're nothing but a bunch of pirates and criminals, and we're just all on the ship going together. So behave.
We all learn along
Or
the
you're
way.
going over the ship.
Buttermilk Cafe is brimming with all the nostalgic flavors of home, but with a little pizzazz thrown in.
It reminds me of my hometown.
The dining room feels like home. It's cozy, welcoming.
How did you come upon the decision to do comfort food?
I get hungry for it. I haven't found a place, and sometimes I don't always have the time at home to do comfort food.
Real food.
Yeah, real food. Real food. You can't buy it in a box.
Carol's restaurant resume is impressive and includes an award for San Antonio Chef of the Year. But she calls herself a late bloomer, raising a family first, not attending culinary school until her mid-40s.
And I made straight A's. I never made straight A's going through school ever, but you know, they always tell you that the old people make the better grades. I don't know if we get smarter or what.
So do you think you were so good in culinary school because you were so smart, or do you think it was because this was something you were meant to do?
I really think it was something I was meant to do, but I love to cook, love to eat. Love to create plate presentations, so that's the artist in me.
You can see that artistry in Carol's elevated approach to comfort food, like this mouth-watering meatloaf, made from beef and pork, and topped with a sweet and chunky tomato peach sauce. The popular New Orleans-style coastal breakfast starts with fresh Gulf shrimp, layered over grilled green chili cheese grits, topped with a poached brown egg. A creamy, luscious lobster sauce brings it all together. The dish is garnished with tomato and green onions.
Everything's freshly made. I don't think anything's frozen.
After 20 years working at a large restaurant chain, Marcy teamed up with her mom.
What have you learned from your mom?
I could write several books, would be the best way to put that. My mother is an amazing
It would be a
leader. It would be a huge comedy.
The two help each other at work and through the road bumps of life.
We were both reading books on how to date. You know, go figure.
After 37 years of marriage, Carol found herself suddenly single.
He married a woman with bigger titties. That's not the case, but I know.
There it is. Beep.
It's my colorful language.
She jokes about it now because all is well with all involved. Carol found new love and is enjoying a beautiful Act 2. Now it's a family affair with everyone pitching in to deliver this fabulous fare.
Their Breakfast Strata is amazing, so good.
One of Carol's favorite breakfast dishes is a simple strata. Think quiche with no crust.
We use sourdough bread, but if you are a gluten issue, you can always use a gluten-free bread.
Okay.
Or you don't even have to use bread at all.
It's a versatile dish that can be dressed up any way you like. We're using bacon, tomatoes, green onions, and cheddar. It's all soaked with a quiche batter made of eggs, chicken stock, sour cream, and Carol's secret ingredient, mayonnaise. It all bakes for about 10 minutes.
Okay, these turned out beautiful.
See how souffled they are?
Yes.
Yeah, I am a good cook. That tastes great.
If you say so yourself, right? Thanks.
See, that tastes good. Now you don't need lunch.
That's fantastic.
Simple and delicious. Home-style eats from the friendly folks at Buttermilk Cafe.